Hey everyone, Celia the Lice Lady here. Hit that subscribe button to see more content on head lice cases, debunking myths, and all sorts of things lice related, because you know you want to watch videos on lice. Today we're going to talk about prevention, how to prevent from getting it and how to prevent and keep it away. So we have lots of different products that we offer. Some of them are through our Lice Clinics of America brand. Other ones are through a brand called Glop and Glam. They're fantastic products. They have prevention in them, and they'll make sure that you can stay lice-free. We're gonna start right here and talk a little bit about some of our favorite products that we like to use for lice prevention. Glop and Glam is one of our favorite products. This particular product is perfect for curly hair. So it helps to get that curl back into the hair. You can comb through hair easier, and also it has that lice prevention in there. Another product that we love is our detangler. This is probably one of our favorite products. This smells like a creamsicle, and it actually works extremely well. It's probably the best detangler I've ever used, and so I highly recommend it. And again, it has all the lice prevention products in there. Another one is our conditioner. This smells like cake batter. Kids love this one. Parents kind of think it's a little on the sweet side, but if kids are going to be the ones using it, then it's perfect for them. The benefit of these products also is that they're sulfate-free, paraben-free, soy, gluten, dairy-free, all of those things that you want for your kids. You're getting that true high-quality salon brand, along with the fact that they have that prevention in them. This is just your typical shampoo. It smells like candy apple. People love this as well because you don't have to use a lot of it to be able to get that good lather in that hair. So that is what people love about that. We also have our Coconut Dream leave-in conditioner. My girls, that's a particular favorite for them because they don't want to take the time to wash the conditioner out of their hair. Sometimes you get that product buildup with other conditioners. This one is nice. It doesn't create that buildup. And then also you have that added protection in the hair, and it smells super good because coconut's one of my favorites. So I love that one. Another product that we have is the prevention spray. So this is a spray. This is not a furniture spray. I don't sell furniture spray. Hopefully one day I'll be able to, because that would be really cool if they came out with something, but this is a lice spray. What you're gonna do is spray this on your kiddo's head, the nape of the neck. We do recommend spraying it on clothes, backpacks, things like that before they head out of the house every single day. It's not a saturation, it's just a spritz on their body. I have my kids turn in a little circle before they head out the door, and they're good to go. We have those in 2 different sizes as well. And then another product, it's not really an actual prevention that you put on you, but it's something that we like to use. We do talk about wearing the hair back in buns or braids if you have long hair, to make sure that there's no loose flowing hair. One of our favorite hair ties is these Gomi hair ties. The reason why we like them is because you don't have to wash them. And I'll get one out for you right now. They come in different sizes and different colors. This is the small one, but these are super fun colors, and they stretch extremely well. And they go back, exactly. Over time, if these do stretch out too much, you can just blast them with a blow dryer for 5 to 7 seconds, and they shrink back down. These will last for an extremely long time, and they really do hold the hair. I know it looks like it's not gonna hold the hair, but it actually does hold the hair. On top of that, a benefit why people like these is because it doesn't damage your hair when you pull the hair tie out. A lot of times when we pull those hair ties out, they have a tendency to yank our hair with them. This isn't gonna do that. So these are some of our product, but some other common sense type things that you can do. Again, making sure that you have that hair back in buns, braids, things like that. Doing weekly head check on your kiddos, not just with your eyes, but with that nit comb, making sure that you can actually have an effective head check. Once one person in the household gets head lice, there's about a 68.2% chance that somebody else is going to get it. So you really want to make sure that you're doing effective head checks once a week on everybody to make sure that they're not going to be passing those bugs around. Another thing that we recommend is no head-to-head contact. We do know that lice the most common way that they're spread is through that head-to-head contact. So just trying to avoid it. If your kids decide that they want to go to a sleepover, maybe try to get them to sleep in the opposite direction, head to feet position. If your kids play sports, things like that, just again, make sure their hair is tied back and you're using those preventatives. So those are just some tips and tricks that we tell people to be able to keep head lice away. Thanks for watching. Click the subscription button, like, comment. If you have any questions, we're here for you. We'd love to answer them. And thanks for watching, and we hope you have a lice-free and happy day.